In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename values of dimensions in Tableau using aliases. This is a key feature for anyone who's working with datasets that have default naming conventions which may not be clear or intuitive to your audience. By creating or editing aliases, you're essentially giving yourself the power to transform complex data terms into easily understandable names. Let's get started by opening the Tableau public app. Having this versatile tool at your fingertips sets the foundation for everything we'll be accomplishing today. Once you have your Tableau app open, access your worksheet. This is where your data is housed and the playground where you'll be making these necessary adjustments. Now, over in the data pane, look for the dimension whose values you want to rename. This could be anything from product categories to geographical data, depending on what you're working with. Right-click on this dimension and you'll find the option for aliases. Go ahead and select it. A window called the Edit Aliases dialog box will pop up, and you'll see a list of the dimensions members here. These are all the current names that you can alter to better fit your needs. Focus your attention on the Value Alias column. Here, you have the freedom to select any member you'd like to rename. Just type the new alias right there. Consider this your chance to make those data names practical and user-friendly for whoever will be engaging with your visuals. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click OK to save them. If you find yourself working directly from a view, there's another streamlined method. In your visualization, right-click on a specific member value within that dimension and choose Edit Alias. This instantly opens a small dialog box. It's straightforward, letting you input the new alias for the member you've selected. This is particularly useful for quick changes without diving back into the data pane. Finally, once again hit OK to complete the process. This not only updates the alias in your visualization, but reflects it immediately in the data pane too, ensuring consistency across your work. And that's it. Renaming dimensions in Tableau using aliases is as simple as that. This process significantly boosts the clarity and professionalism of your reports and visualizations, making sure that all stakeholders can understand the data being presented. Thank you for watching, and be sure to apply these steps the next time you're customizing your data in Tableau.